What happens when AI takes over all the jobs? Will this ever happen? Or who are the people that should be well positioned within this AI takeover?
Again, I think all the job will be stolen by AI, and will be some files that we need again human, because the machines also have all the data from us the people, and again what we put there we can change it in the output, and we can change it the society. And I think is it again our side in which way we can have it with us daily, the AI, in which time. And I think we are not ready, because we have a lot of issue in our societies regarding that emotional intelligence, in which way we will use it again, this kind of AI. And for sure, in this present moment, we need to have in mind that we need to be healthy, and we need to trust again us, and we need to move forward with the flow. And for sure, what will come over us, we will be here together in touch, and we can develop it. I'm sure that sometimes it will be better than now, and I think this is all the things that matter. We can change our realities every day, even we have this AI and machine, all the machines that we have it.
All right. Thank you so much, Melina. And I think that there's something that we always say is that AI won't take over the jobs. It's the people that master AI that would most likely take over the jobs. So that's why you are in the right place, and plug in, stay locked in, just so that you make the most of the entire Techaton journey.